and welcome to Hedin USA, a premier designer and producer of high-quality manufacturing equipment. Today we're looking at one of our recent projects, an adjustable mold and die transporter that's capable of lifting, maneuvering, and changing different size dies. This specific transporter has a capacity of 36,000 pounds and uses forks to pick up and remove dies from shelving racks. The transporter acts as a safe alternative to the forklift, built for mold and die applications with a balanced center of gravity to prevent the unit from tipping. Multi-drive omnidirectional steering allows the unit to navigate efficiently and effectively through narrow spaces and gives the operator the ability to accurately maneuver the transporter and dies into position. Once in position, the dies are lifted to be mated with the customer's press interface, which mechanically actuates nested rollers to provide a low-friction surface for the die to be loaded onto. Let's take a look at the controls. Our RF controller is preset with different drive functions that allows us to move throughout a facility in different manners. Using our forward and reverse toggle as well as our steering, we're able to adjust that as we move throughout that facility. Using toggles on our controller, we can adjust the forks both up and down and in and out for variances in your dies. Once the forks have been positioned, we can use a toggle on the controller to engage a magnet which will assist us in both inserting and extracting a die from a press. The controller is also outfitted with a light, a horn, and an e-stop. Along with our die transporters, Hedin USA also designs and manufactures pallet transporters, power tuggers, and advanced AGV systems. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at HedinUSA.com and check out our other brands, Airfloat, the inventor and innovator of aircaster technology, and Align Production Systems, the premier designer and manufacturer of material handling equipment and machinery.